Hello, fam! Looking for a delicious and filling breakfast option? Watch as we whip up a fiber-filled breakfast bowl that is not only tasty but also good for you. Packed with granola and other fiber-rich ingredients. This breakfast bowl is perfect for starting your day off right. Get ready to make a nutritious and satisfying meal that will keep you full until lunchtime. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Here's a list of 20 fiber-filled breakfast bowl recipes to kickstart your day. With a nutritious boost. Overnight oats with chia seeds and berries. Combine rolled oats, chia seeds, almond milk, and a splash of maple syrup in a bowl. Let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. In the morning, top with fresh berries and a sprinkle of nuts or seeds for added fiber and crunch. Quinoa breakfast bowl. Cook quinoa according to package instructions and top with sliced bananas, chopped nuts, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. Add a dollop of Greek yogurt for extra protein and creaminess. Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with high-fiber granola, mixed berries, and a drizzle of honey in a bowl or glass. Repeat the layers and top with a sprinkle of flax seeds or hemp hearts for added fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Avocado toast breakfast bowl. Mash ripe avocado onto whole grain toast and top with sliced hard-boiled eggs, cherry tomatoes, and arugula. Sprinkle with salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes for a savory and fiber-rich breakfast. Smoothie bowl. Blend frozen berries, spinach, banana, and almond milk until smooth. Pour into a bowl and top with sliced fruit, granola, and a drizzle of nut butter for added fiber. Protein and flavor. Warm quinoa porridge. Cook quinoa with almond milk and cinnamon until creamy. Serve warm in a bowl and top with sliced apples, raisins, and a sprinkle of ground flax seeds for a fiber-packed breakfast. Chia seed pudding. Mix chia seeds with coconut milk and a touch of vanilla extract. Let it sit in the refrigerator overnight to thicken. In the morning, top with fresh fruit, shredded coconut, and chopped nuts for a delicious and fiber-filled breakfast. Banana walnut oatmeal. Cook rolled oats with mashed ripe banana, chopped walnuts, and a dash of cinnamon. Serve hot in a bowl, and drizzle with honey or maple syrup for a naturally sweet and fiber-rich breakfast options. Buckwheat breakfast bowl. Cook buckwheat groats according to package instructions, and top with sliced peaches, blueberries, and a dollop of Greek yogurt. Sprinkle with hemp hearts or pumpkin seeds for added texture and fiber. Egg and veggie breakfast bowl. Scramble eggs with sautéed spinach, bell peppers, and onions. Serve in a bowl with cooked quinoa or brown rice for added fiber. And top with sliced avocado and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for a savory and satisfying breakfast option. Sweet potato breakfast bowl. Roast diced sweet potatoes until tender. And top with cooked black beans, avocado slices, salsa, and a dollop of Greek yogurt. Garnish with cilantro and lime wedges for a flavorful and fiber-rich breakfast. Muesli breakfast bowl. Combine rolled oats, dried fruits, nuts, seeds, and a splash of milk in a bowl. Let it sit for a few minutes to soften. Then top with sliced bananas, grated apple, and a drizzle of honey for a satisfying and fiber-filled breakfast option. Tropical acai bowl. Blend frozen acai with pineapple, mango, and coconut water until smooth. Pour into a bowl and top with sliced kiwi, shredded coconut, and granola for a refreshing and fiber-packed breakfast. Pumpkin spice chia pudding. Mix chia seeds with pumpkin puree, pumpkin pie spice, and almond milk. Let it sit in the refrigerator overnight to thicken. In the morning, top with roasted pecans. A dollop of whipped coconut cream, and a sprinkle of cinnamon for a festive and fiber-rich breakfast treat. Green breakfast bowl. Blend spinach, kale, banana, mango, and almond milk until smooth. Pour into a bowl and top with sliced kiwi, hemp seeds, and a drizzle of honey for a nutritious and fiber-filled breakfast option. Savory breakfast quinoa bowl. Cook quinoa with vegetable broth and stir in sautéed mushrooms. Spinach and cherry tomatoes. Serve in a bowl and top with a fried egg, avocado slices, and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for a savory and fiber-rich breakfast. Berry almond chia parfait. Layer chia seed pudding with almond butter, mixed berries, and sliced almonds in a glass or bowl. Repeat the layers and top with a dollop of Greek yogurt for added protein and creaminess. Coconut banana breakfast bowl. Blend frozen banana with coconut milk, shredded coconut, and a splash of vanilla extract until smooth. Pour into a bowl and top with sliced banana. Granola, and a drizzle of honey for a tropical and fiber-filled breakfast. Spiced apple cinnamon oatmeal. Cook steel-cut oats with diced apples, cinnamon, and a pinch of nutmeg until creamy. Serve hot in a bowl and top with chopped walnuts, raisins, and a drizzle of maple syrup for a comforting and fiber-rich breakfast option. Veggie breakfast burrito bowl. Fill a bowl with cooked brown rice or quinoa, and top with scrambled eggs, black beans, sautéed bell peppers, onions, and spinach. Garnish with sliced avocado, salsa, and a squeeze of lime juice for a hearty and fiber-packed breakfast. These fiber-filled breakfast bowl recipes are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients to keep you feeling full and energized throughout the morning. Are you looking for a delicious and healthy breakfast option? Look no further. Today, we're going to show you how to make a fiber-filled breakfast bowl that is not only nutritious but also tasty. Start by adding a base of your favorite granola to a bowl. Granola is a great source of fiber and will keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the morning. Next, add some fresh berries to your bowl. Berries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins, making them the perfect addition to your fiber-rich breakfast. Top it off with a dollop of yogurt for some added creaminess and protein. Feel free to use Greek yogurt for an extra boost of protein. Finish your breakfast bowl with a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for a touch of sweetness. Mix everything together and enjoy your fiber-filled breakfast bowl. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy and delicious recipes. See you next time.